Hello. In this short video, I wanted to walk through one of the configuration options within Chocolatey GUI, which is to allow the hiding of package download counts and why that's important. So let's go ahead and open up Chocolatey GUI here. Now, by default, what Chocolatey GUI is going to do is it's going to show me the package download counts for any particular package. So if I go ahead and I look at the Chocolate community repository that I have configured here, we can't see it in the tile view, but if I were to right click and go into details for the Adobe Acrobat Reader package, then we can see that the package download count is being displayed here on the left hand side on the details page. If I go into the tile view, then we can see that the download count is showing up here. The same would be true if I were to go to any source that had download counts available. But if I go to, for example, this source, which is a Nexus repository that I have access to, and if I click on the list view again, then you'll see that the package download count is showing as 0 for everything. If I right click and go into details here, then the download count is showing again as 0. Now the reason that's happening is because that download information isn't provided from the Nexus feed in the same way that it comes from the Chocolate community repository. So if you've only got internal repositories being used, then this download count is really not very useful. So if I go into settings and I scroll down, what we'll see is that there is an option here which is to hide the package download count. So it's off by default, but you have the option then of enabling this. So if I go back here and we look now at the package details from my Nexus repository, then that download information is no longer being displayed there. And if I go into the list view again, the download count is no longer being displayed. Same will then be true if we go back to the Chocolate community repository and we go to the list view. The download counts aren't being displayed there. And if I right click and go in details, then they're no longer being displayed there as well. Now, it's currently an all or nothing. You either have package download count being displayed or you don't. It's not possible to configure them on a per source basis. But it can be useful rather just to not confuse folks with what this number is if it's not actually providing any real value. So hopefully this has been useful. Thank you very much.